Are you making videos for your online business? Well, if you are, I'm going to share with you 3 crucial steps to make high quality videos so that your videos really stand out. So stick around. All right, well, welcome to this video. My name is Mark Harbert, and if this is the first time that you have visited my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis, and I want to make sure that you get to see them. All right, so let's dive in. If you're creating videos, there are 3 crucial things you need to do to make sure that your videos stand out. Let's dive into number 1. Number 1 is so easy to do, but very important, and that's make sure that you have high def video. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of cameras out there that you can choose from. Believe it or not, the camera that I use for my videos is basically, it's really just a webcam, and it's a high quality, high def webcam that records in up to 4K. Now, 4K, if you're not familiar with that, basically what it means is it's super ultra high def. And one of the things that you can do is many smartphones today as well have all that capability built right in. So you don't really need to do anything special to get HD video. If you have a phone, that works perfect. If you want to invest in a webcam, you certainly can. I'm going to put the link in the description for that camera that I use, and you can check it out. But make sure you're recording in high def video. High definition today is super important, especially when you're creating videos for YouTube. Very, very important. All right, let's dive into number 2. Okay, the number 2 part to making a super highly effective video is good audio. There's nothing worse than getting to a video that looks good but sounds horrible. You hear an echo in the background, the audio's hard to hear. I've seen people do really good videos and they're standing back away from the microphone on their phone, and it really just sounds very, you can hear the distance, okay? Now, as you can see, I've got a really good microphone right here. This is called a Blue Yeti microphone. I've been using this for years. The quality is super, super good. So you want to make sure that you're using high def audio. Now, if you're not at your desk and you want to have better audio, you can go over to Amazon and check out, there's all kinds of Bluetooth lavalier mics. So if you're out and about, you're at a distance, you can have this little mic clipped to your shirt or, your clothes, and you can, keep speaking no matter how far away you are from the camera. So audio, crucially important when creating good videos. All right, let's dive into number 3. Here's another one, very, very important, very crucial, good lighting. Now here I am, I'm in my basement, which is a finished basement where my office is, and I have got 2 lights right here shining down on me, giving good light so when I record this video, it's not dark and shady and all kinds of weird things, okay? So whenever you're doing videos, you want to make sure that you have good lighting. Now, if you're outside in broad daylight, that's really the best kind of light you can get. But you can also get all kinds of lighting boxes. And over on Amazon, I'll stick the link in the description to the lights that I use. I spent about $80-90 on them. And man, I've had them for years and they work fantastic. The light bulbs last a very long time, but they always give me great light. Now, a little tip for you when you're creating videos, if you wear glasses like I do, you don't ever want to have the light pointing directly at you or you're going to get a reflection in the glasses. What I have are these 2 box lights and they're shining at me from an angle. Okay, so that's giving me good lighting. It's not reflecting in my glasses and it really makes the video stand out. All right, so there you go. That's number 3, good lighting. Okay, so just to recap, the 3 things you want to do is record in high def video, make sure it's good quality. Most cell phones today, you're not going to have any problem there. You've got it right in your pocket. You really don't need to go out and buy a whole bunch of new fancy equipment. Some people go overboard with it. They get the DSLR cameras. Honestly, you don't really need that. You got it right in your pocket. Make sure you've got great audio. Invest in a good microphone. If you're in your office and you record a lot in your office, get yourself a really good microphone like this for like $100, not a lot. And number 3, make sure you have great lighting. Lighting makes all the difference in the world. All right, so if you got any value from this, do me a favor, like this video, make sure you comment below and share it with those that you like. Now, if you're into creating videos and you need help and you're not sure what to talk about in your videos, I'm also going to put a link in the description. Go to markharbert.com/101 and get my 101 video creation ideas PDF. It's right there for you. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.